Hello everyone, welcome to Elliottwave.com YouTube channel. Today is April the 24th and the chart of the day for today is copper right here, 60 minutes time frame. We can see we ended with 4 here, and then from there the short-term rally using the 1 hour time frame looks impulsive. It doesn't look like a three-ways correction, it looks impulsive. So that means as long as we stay above 4.02, we like it higher. Now this cycle currently still in progress to finish a 5 ways up, okay, and once we finish this entire cycle, we could potentially do a trace pullback. Now again, with an impulsive rally, people believe that basically all this move down or move up is absolutely set in stone, which is not really what the case is. So meaning that just because we are anticipating a pullback in 3 ways, for example, that doesn't necessarily mean it cannot extend higher if this becomes even a stronger impulse, right? So the wave can always change into a little bit different structure, but the idea here is not so much that we must go up one more high, we must go down in exactly like this, and it must go down exactly this. It doesn't mean that way. This forecast here, it simply means that it is bullish against this beginning of the rally, in the impulsive rally, and also in the forecast is basically saying that right now if you want to chase, it's risky because this cycle is about to finish. It can finish now, it can finish a little bit higher, or it can even extend in a more impulsive way. Then it can indeed extend even stronger, even though that's not our base case, right? So the idea is this cycle could be about to finish soon, and then once it is finished, we will be getting a trace pullback to correct this entire rally, impulsive rally. And the correction of this entire rally typically should be at least 38.2% retracement, right? At least, and sometimes can even go to 50 or 61.8%. All of these are Fibonacci numbers, right? And the pullback, when it finally happens, will be in 3 swing or in 7 swing, because that's corrective sequence. So you're gonna see a 3-ways pullback like so, in which then the third leg is equal to the first leg, and then that 3 waves should ideally reach at least 38.2, like I said, because you are looking for the entire correction of the entire cycle here. Okay, so that's the idea for copper, guys. We do like more upside above 4.02. This cycle is about to finish. Soon we can get a 3-ways pullback, but that 3-ways pullback should find support for next leg up. All right, so we do not recommend selling, as we've been saying here, because we do like more upside. Now on the weekly time frame, things are kind of interesting because we did make a new high here in copper last time, not too long ago, right? You can zoom out, and we are actually in the all-time high not too long ago, like I said, right? Now if you take a look at this, right, like I zoom out all the way up, now we got a couple of possible options, right? Now we know that we got a 5 swing up from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. Now let's talk about the worst case scenario first. Now there is no question what the right side is, which is bullish. Why? Because we make all-time high. There's no reason for you to think, oh, we are in bearish market here, right? 5 swing up here, which is bullish, and then also a 5 swing up from here, which is again bullish again, right? Now the worst case I can think about here is the idea that this cycle 5 swing is finished. Now if that is the case, then you can get this 1, 2, 3 like this before higher again, right? Now even if that's going to happen though, in the shorter cycle, because the rally looks impulsive, even if we're going to be doing a bigger pullback, most likely we will still get one more push higher first, right? Most likely we're going to be looking for one more push higher first before it fails as an ABC and go down like this, if the worst scenario plays out, like what I'm showing here in the weekly time frame. Like I said, because in the shorter cycle this rally looks quite like an impulsive, so we can do like a three-ish rally first, right, and then break down before breaking down again. So again, shorter cycle, as long as we stay above 4.0229, we do like it higher. Alright guys, so if you want to get more updates on copper or any other commodities, Forex, indices, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial and the link is in the description of the video. See you all again next time and have a nice day everyone.